Fake meat, no tipping policy, and Tom Colicchio quit. All are coming up on The Bite. Welcome to The Bite, where we serve you all of the food, drink, and dining news you can handle at one sitting. Leading off today in a press release from Tyson Foods, we learned Tyson Ventures, the venture capital part of Tyson Foods, has invested a minority stake into Memphis Meats. Memphis Meats is a startup company in San Francisco that grows meat from animal cells. Their goal is to get meat to your plate more humanely. Memphis Meats' website states, quote, "We love meat. However, the way conventional meat is produced today creates challenges for the environment, animal welfare, and human health. With global consumers spending nearly $1 trillion per year on meat and demand for meat expected to double in the coming decades, one thing is clear. We need a better way to feed a hungry world." The site goes on to say, quote, "That's why we started Memphis Meats. Our goal is simple: to change the way meat gets to your plate. We're developing a way to produce real meat from animal cells without the need to feed, breed, and slaughter actual animals. We expect our products to be better for the environment, the animals, and public health. And most importantly, they're delicious. Our vision is for the world to eat what it loves in a way that addresses today's challenges for the environment, animal welfare, and public health. We are accelerating our work and building out a world-class team to make this a reality." Other investors in Memphis Meats include Bill Gates and Richard Branson. Tom Colicchio is quitting. Don't worry, Top Chef fans. The head judge is not leaving the show, so your entertainment is safe. But Tom is resigning his post at Food Policy Action, a nonprofit group he founded to help a healthy food system in America. Chef Colicchio announced his departure on Instagram in late January, stating, quote, "It is with equal parts sadness and appreciation that I am announcing my resignation from the Board of Food Policy Action, effective today." He wrote, "Since co-founding the organization in 2012, I have been fortunate to work with a group of dedicated activists fighting for policies that make healthy, affordable, ethically sourced food available to all, and to reform a food system that pitches heavily in favor of corporate interests rather than citizens. Corporations don't eat, people do." End quote. Well, Tom, let's not forget the Supreme Court ruling that says corporations are people too. Lord. Chef Colicchio went on to say he would continue to fight for the ideals he believes in and use every platform available to him to champion a more just and equitable food system for everyone. Just what the world needs? Another pizza shop. Well, in this case, we may just need to have this one. Nancy Silverton opened Triple Beam Pizza in Los Angeles today. Her new spot is a Roman-style pizzeria where the pizza is cut into lengths and sold by weight. The pizza will be served room temperature, just like in Rome, with the option for a reheat upon customer request. Triple Beam Pizza will also serve beer, wine, and sandwiches. Silverton is best known for Campanile and La Brea Bakery. Chef Silverton won Food and Wine's Best New Chef in 1990, along with several James Beard Awards over the years. And it seems as though she's not slowing down. In restaurant operations news, Danny Meyer says he has lost 30 to 40% of his front of the house staff since instituting a no tipping policy in some of his Union Square Hospitality Group restaurants. The loss of these legacy front of the house employees have come over the past 3 years. Instead of tipping, Meyer has instituted service included in some of his restaurants, resulting in higher menu prices and the ability to pay back of the house staff, cooks, chefs, dishwashers, about 20% more in wages. Danny did say, however, the new employees who have replaced those who have left understand the hospitality included concept and are doing the job because it is a profession. The USHG has stated that wages in the kitchen have gone up about 25% since 1985, while the front of the house staff had seen about a 300% increase in wages. The move to the no tipping policy was designed to balance out wages and provide better service for guests. It's time to get your punchki on, your pakski, your punchi, your punchki. However you decide to say it, next Tuesday, February 13th, is Fat Tuesday, and Eater Detroit has a list of the 18 best places you can get your 1,500 calorie donuts. Among the shops listed are Dutch Girl Donuts, open 24 hours a day on Woodward Avenue, Avon Donuts in Pontiac, Tringali's Bakery in Warren, and last but not least, the little shop right around the corner from my house. So you know, I am going to roll my ass out of bed early to go get one. It's East Detroit Bakery and Deli on 9 Mile in East Point. Click on the link in the description for Eater's complete list and make sure you hit up your local bakery. That is all of the news we have for you today. Make sure you click on the subscribe button to get all of your food, drink, and dining news right here on The Bite from Tremendous Cream. Remember, food is life, and life is great. See you next time.